Business Central lets you apply customer, vendor, and bank entries, but not GL entries. That means no way to track which amounts on balance sheet accounts are settled and which are still outstanding. We have created an app, Apply GL Entries, that solves this problem. Install the app from Microsoft Marketplace. It works with all country versions and supports Essentials and Premium editions. After installation, 3 new columns appear. Open, is the entry still available for application? Remaining amount, how much is left to apply? And applied amount, how much has already been applied? Every existing entry is initialized as open. Select any entry on the account, then click Apply Entries or press Shift plus F11 to open the application worksheet for that GL account. Now we come in the Apply GL Entries. This page shows all entries for the selected GL account. From here, you select which entries to apply against each other. Each entry shows its posting date, document number, amount, remaining amount, and open status. Position your cursor on the entry you want to apply from. This becomes the base entry. Typically, this is the entry you want to settle, e.g., an invoice posting. Press F7 or click Set Applies to ID to mark the base entry. Your user ID appears in the Applies to ID column, indicating this entry is part of the current application. Move to the matching credit entry and press F7 again. Both entries now share the same Applies to ID, indicating they will be applied together. You can mark multiple entries. Click Post Application, F9. A confirmation dialog asks, do you want to post the application? The app validates that all entries belong to the same account, are open, and the selection is valid, then posts automatically. After posting, both entries show Open equals No, Remaining amount equals 0, and Applied amount equals the original amount. The Applies to ID is cleared. The remaining open entries are unaffected. Click Applied Entries to see the detailed application history. Every application creates bi-directional records. You can see who applied what, when, and for how much. This is your audit trail. Made a mistake? No problem. Navigate to the Applied Entries for any GL entry to undo the application. Select the application record and click Undo Application. The app reverses the application. Entries reopen, remaining amounts are restored, and the original application records are marked as reversed for the audit trail. Nothing is deleted. The entries are back to Open equals Yes, with their original remaining amounts restored. The audit trail in Applied Entries shows both the original application and the reversal. After applying and undoing entries, the application history shows every operation that has occurred. This is a complete audit trail. The original application records, now marked Reversed equals Yes, remain visible alongside any new applications. Nothing is ever deleted. Notice that the Undo Application button is grayed out for records that have already been reversed. You can only undo active, non-reversed applications. This prevents double reversal and protects the audit trail. Move your cursor to an active application record. Reversed equals No. The Undo Application button is now enabled. This clear visual distinction ensures users always know which applications can still be reversed. Apply GL Entries supports partial settlement. Select a debit of $14.28 and a credit of $13.86. The credit entry will be fully applied, while the debit entry stays open with a remaining amount of $41.75. The $13.86 credit is now closed. The $14.28 debit remains open with remaining amount being $41.75, ready for further applications later. Data migration. If your database previously used the Dutch NL localization for applying GL entries, the app automatically migrates your historical application data on install. A notification summarizes the results. Click the notification or open the migration log from the action bar to see full details. How many entries were migrated, how many applications were created, and whether any data quality issues were detected and repaired. And that's it. Now that you know how the app works and benefits you, you can start downloading it today. Search for Apply GL Entries in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central Marketplace, or click the link down below.